The big question on everybody's minds this evening is, should all flights out of the United Kingdom be put on pause? Reason? The first confirmed case of the COVID-19 virus arrived from the United Kingdom March 4th, detected March 9th. Second confirmed case confirmed March 11th. And St. Vincent and the Grenadines announced their first case coming from the United Kingdom. There are those who argue, oh, but there are just 456 confirmed cases in the United Kingdom. So you all should not get that thought of pausing flights from the United Kingdom. But let us look at it. Let's examine it. Open it up for discussion. If the three countries, or in this particular scenario, the two countries that have confirmed cases, did not receive flights from the United Kingdom, as at this moment, we would still be free of any case of the COVID-19. So, there are now three countries in the Commonwealth that have confirmed cases. And as far as our sources have produced, the two countries, Jamaica, St. Vincent, and the Grenadines, have indicated that these were imported cases that arrived from the United Kingdom on a flight. In the comment section below, please let us start this poll and let's see what the responses will be. Should we as a nation put a pause on flights arriving into Jamaica from the United Kingdom? What say ye? Yay or nay? Looking forward to reading your comments. Ciao for now.